Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to review Cloud Candy by Khadlaj. This is a sweet gourmand treat for everyone who loves marshmallows, strawberries and sugary kind of perfumes. Let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and now let's get started. Let's discuss the presentation first. It comes in this cardboard box with these gorgeous pink and white clouds made on it with golden kind of like border to them. Looks very beautiful here, and Cloud Candy written right here. And on this side you have the quality assurance sticker. Moving on, some details about the perfume, manufacturing and all of that, and this is how the box is. Now, quite a cute box, quite a cute presentation. And then comes this gorgeous bottle. If you see here, the glass is kind of like tapered here and chiseled in a way. I love the glass cut work that this bottle has. Like, the bottom is so gorgeous on this one, and it has this gorgeous blush pink color on the glass with again the similar cloud patterns representing what the perfume is all about. The cap is, I think, metallic and very sturdy and heavy, but does not fit very tight. Do not by mistake hold this perfume with the cap. It's going to shatter into pieces, and this is how the atomizer is. 100 ml of this perfume bottle costs for 4,299 rupees, and I bought this one from centopiaperfumes.com. I do have a non-affiliated code. If you're interested, I will leave the details right here, and I'm not earning a penny out of it. It's a non-affiliated code, so feel free if you want to use it or not use it, your choice. But it's a good way of availing some nice discounts on Centopia perfumes. And so from 4,300, it is kind of already on discount, and it is currently priced for 2,899 rupees, 2,900, and you can definitely use my non-affiliated coupon code to avail some more discount on this. Khadlaj perfumes in general in India are expensive. Since the MRP on this one is almost as good as a high-end perfume, it's close to 5,000. I wouldn't even dare call it affordable, but after coming in discount, it is coming under 3,000, so that becomes a little relatable to purchase. Let's give it a spray. This is how the sprayer is. Very nice, and a smooth sprayer diffuses the product really well. And let's talk about the scent profile. The top notes are strawberry, green mandarin and freesia, which gives it kind of like a fresh, juicy and airy sweetness. The heart notes of soft marshmallow, coconut and whipped cream. This is where the dreamy core marshmallow gourmand beauty is present. Base notes of white musk, vanilla, sugar, raspberry and ambroxan. So this is where all the warmth and the sugary, cloudy, fluffy nuances are coming from. Now, if I have to describe this perfume as a person or a scenario, I would say that this is such a candy-esque, marshmallowy, fluffy fragrance. You remember the candy floss that we get in the market, that pink cloud of candy floss? It kind of has a reminder to that. I'm not saying that it is smelling like candy floss because the marshmallow is the main note in this one, but it just has that fluffy, airy, cloudy pink feel to it. I can just imagine visiting a bakery and getting myself a plate of creamy, delicious whipped cream in which is like mixed with strawberries and has some added sugar, has like a sprinkle of sugar on top of it, and the marshmallows are slightly melted into that dish, and I'm just dipping my strawberries into that whipped cream and sugar and marshmallow ooey and I've kind of taking a juicy bite of it. So that's what the mental picture is about. It's so sweet, it is super powdery, it is super airy, fluffy, sweet, and so ooey syrupy and thick as well. Now, this one is said to be a dupe and one of the closest dupe, if I may say so, to Kayali's Yum Bougie Marshmallow 81. In fact, this one is considered to be a more thicker, more syrupier, more sweeter version of Yum Bougie Marshmallow by Kayali. Now, coming to the performance on this one, this gives me a longevity of almost 6 to 7 hours with 6 to 7 sprays on my skin. On my clothes, this lasts for days. This is such a good performer. Like, I see the price point, but I also see the performance on this one. That's why I don't have much complaints about how this fragrance works. because seriously, on my clothes this lasts for days, and the projection and the sillage is also quite solid on this one. It projects almost the whole day. You'll get those soft, sweet, sugary, powder sugary, marshmallowy this throughout the day, and it keeps reminding that I'm here for you, I'm here with you, so you're not never going to feel alone when you're wearing something like this. Also, it just has a charm of its own. Like whenever I use this fragrance, first of all, I feel like wearing pink. Okay, I just feel like wearing pink, a nice blush pink top or a nice blush pink kurti. It just has that pink vibe to it. I like wearing pastels when I kind of use this fragrance. So it is very modern, very pastel oriented kind of a fragrance in my opinion. And it is so sweet and so nice that overall it gives you a personality of being very nice and innocent. It has a very youthful feel to it. Of course, anyone from any age can wear it because it's just a sweet delight. But I think this has that youthful factor to it for sure. And it just has that kind of innocence and sweetness in my opinion. When I wore this fragrance for the very first time, you know, I kind of remembered that advertisement from either Fair and Lovely or Pond's, where a girl wearing a pink blush flowy chiffon suit, and she's twirling her suit here and there, and it's windy, her hair is flowing, and she's all pink blushed. She's naturally very pretty, and she has a very feminine charm to her. This perfume kind of reminded me of a very delicate feminine feel. My overall feedback on this one is that please get this. Like, forget about Yum Bougie Marshmallow. Get your hands on Cloud Candy. This performs so well on me, and this is such a sticky ooey fragrance. If you are into beautiful sweet gourmand fragrances, I think this is a must-have in your collection. This is easily making it to my top 10 gourmand fragrances in just like what, 2 weeks now. So this is that impressive. I'm loving the scent profile, and I'm not getting bored of it anytime soon. I'm going to do a complete paisa vasool on this fragrance. My overall rating on this one is 9 out of 10. I'm cutting that 1 mark only for the price point that Khadlaj has in India. No other con to this fragrance. Absolutely love, absolute delight. Highly recommend you to buy this one. So that completes today's video, and that was everything about Cloud Candy by Khadlaj. But stay tuned for more perfume content on this channel. If that is something that you love and enjoy, then you definitely need to subscribe to my channel. Also help me grow and support me on Instagram as well by following me there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.